are at Domes in Puerto Rico. We made it over to Rincon and we are checking out pro surf contest here. Well done. Thanks, ladies. We're at Hobo Beach now. We just came down from Rincon and the surf contest. It was a little hectic there and hard to find a place to swim. So we figured this would be a nice stopover, and it has this really cool little water feature where the waves break on the other side of this and cause not only this waterfall, but that big spray. Holy crap, isn't that amazing? Shake it off.
My feet dry.
Slip and slide. So we made some friends with the locals and they're taking us to a cave. So we just had to pull a last second pack job and evacuate. Well, we were very short notice, and I'm headed. I wound up getting a workaway job thanks to Desiree here, and so I'm gonna go out to Y43, which is an island off the coast here of Puerto Rico, a smaller island, and just give it a shot, see what it's like. It's awesome the people you meet along the way. I love this travel ride. I'll check in with you guys when I get there.
Yeah, he needs to drive. See something?
Looks like we made it.
Barely made it. I had to beg the woman to let us go and that you were coming. And she said, no, it's closed 3 times. So, we got out of it.
Yeah, here we are. You're very persuasive. Hello. I've managed to find a job teaching yoga at a wonderful little place called La Finca and Y43. It's amazing that everything always just seems to work out, or so far. So I'm gonna be grateful for every time that it works out, and I'll just accept it when it doesn't. But for now, things are amazing. Happy to have you guys with me. I hope you guys are enjoying your spring equinox and your full moon just the same. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Super cool.